picture this. You have a puppet, you try a few things, and before you know it, she ends up back on the shelf for the rest of the week. Or your puppet always does the same thing, and that gets boring. Children lose their interest, and you probably too. But there is a simple way to fix that. A little suitcase with a few materials. It can hold cards with questions like this one from my course, or small objects, simple games, nothing fancy, just everyday things that give your puppet something to say and talk about. A suitcase like this helps you use your puppet more intentionally. It lets you think ahead. What could my puppet show or ask today? And yes, I say what my puppet could say on purpose, because the puppet takes the lead and gently invites the child into the conversation or activity. Imagine your puppet picks up a card and says, "A friend laughs at you when you hurt yourself." That's all it takes to start a conversation. "No, when he laughs at me, it's not a real friend for me. Is it for you?" And it's never the same, because it depends on the next card you pull. This one, "A friend understands when you want to try something different." Yeah, for me, that's a friend. These kinds of materials really help me. They are all focused on getting to know each other, building friendships, and exploring how we connect. What can you ask each other? What does a friend do and not do? And if you're now thinking, "I wouldn't even know what my puppet could say about that," then have a look at my Let's Play course. I've already done the preparation for you. Everything your puppet could say or ask is already laid out. Check out Let's Play, and I see you in the next video. Bye!